YouTube, what it do? It is your favorite online fitness coach, Coach Perk, coming back at you with another video. And today we're talking mobility versus flexibility. But before I get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, then hit that notification bell so every time I drop a video, you get notified. So let's get into it. First, let's start off with flexibility. And to keep it as simple as I can, it is the ability of a muscle to lengthen passively. So when you reach down and touch your toes, that is considered flexibility because you have now increased the length of your hamstrings and are holding that stretch for a certain period of time. Now, if you're not as flexible as you want to be, the number one thing you can do is stretch more often and also use a foam roller to do some soft tissue work to really smooth out that muscle. Now on to mobility. Mobility can be defined as the ability of a joint to actively move through a range of motion. As we now know, flexibility deals with the muscle, and mobility, which is the opposite, deals with the joint. So instead of using a stretch, you will use motion to create room for that joint to move. And lastly, I want to tell you about mobility and flexibility and how to properly use them so you can add them to your routine. For flexibility, you mainly want to use this at the end of your workouts. Since your muscles are already tight, the best thing you can do is loosen them up again. The best time to use mobility is before your training sessions, so your joints can have an optimal range of motion throughout your workout. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.